preparations, expecting on-time departure. Flight time will be 8 hours and we'll be climbing to 35,000 feet. I'm expecting good weather on route. However, for your own safety, I do recommend to keep your seatbelts fastened at all times when seated, even when the seatbelt signs have been switched off, in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. Cabin Service Director Mary and Cabin Seniors Kamika and Kyrene